Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so every time I post a video, you will get notified for it. So yeah guys, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I edit my photos. Now, a lot of people ask me on how I edit my photos as well. And if you guys don't know, I have posted one video on how I edit my videos. And this is like a part 2 on how I edit my photos. If you guys don't know, I am a makeup artist and I need an editing apps so that I can just clear out my photos and so that it can look nice on my Instagram feed as well. So yes, I don't edit my videos like a fake edit, but yes, you need some sort of editing. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to be showing on how I do that. Also I'm going to show how I edit my YouTube thumbnails. So yeah, and about that also a lot of people ask me on how I edit my YouTube thumbnail as well. So again, that's what I'm gonna tell you in today's video as well. So yeah guys, without wasting any time, let's just get into the video. So the first app that I use to edit my photo is so this photo that I have is already edited because it's my mom phone और मैंने मेरे Instagram से ये photo ले लिया है. So this is how the photo of mine. So this is the photo that I'm gonna take. So obviously ये पूरा edited है, but still I'm gonna show you what exactly I do while editing my photos. So firstly I just go into tools and I just go into tune images and then I go into ambience. Now for the editing videos, firstly that you need to do is ambience. Like ambience आपको raise करना है. So it depends, it totally depends on you. Like sometimes photo बहुत ज़्यादा dull होता है, so I make it 50. But now this photo is already this, so I'm gonna just make it 15 because मुझे सिर्फ show करना है आपको. So yeah, that's what I do the first. And then I also go into contrast. अगर आपका photo blur है, so you can just increase the contrast. And अगर आपका photo बहुत ज़्यादा already clear है and you wanted to make it smooth, you can just decrease the contrast. But for today I'm gonna just show you like थोड़ा सा contrast मैं करूँगी. So आपका फोटो क्लियर हो जाएगा बहुत ज़्यादा. एंड देन ब्राइटनेस इज टोटली लाइक इन दिस पिक्चर आई डोंट नीड टू इंक्रीज द ब्राइटनेस, बट यू ऑल्सो कैन यूज ब्राइटनेस फीचर. देन देर इज शैडो वाला, बट इन दिस वीडियो इन दिस पिक्चर आई डोंट वांट यू टू डू एनीथिंग लाइक शैडो एंड ऑल. सब कुछ परफेक्ट है, बट स्टिल मैंने -1 रखा है शैडो. एंड हाईलाइट्स ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. अगर आपका हाईलाइटिंग है बट इट्स नॉट पॉपिंग, देन यू कैन जस्ट इंक्रीज द हाईलाइटिंग एज वेल. लाइक यू कैन सी मेरे नोज़ पे हाईलाइट है, सो आई एम गोना इंक्रीज दैट. देन मेरा नोज़ का एंड देन मेरा जो बैकग्राउंड है वो बहुत हाईलाइट होगा. सो दैट इज़ अ वेरी नाइस यूज़ ऑफ दिस ऐप. यू कैन ऑल्सो गो इन डिटेल्स एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो डू स्ट्रक्चर को जो है उसको आपको डिक्रीज़ करना है. स्ट्रक्चर को डिक्रीज़ करने से का फोटो सॉफ्ट हो जाएगा. सो इफ़ यू कैन सी लाइक some roughness on your face, you can just do it soft. Okay, so that's what I can do. Like that's what I do actually. So yeah, that's the thing that I do. I think that's about it. And then the second app that I use for editing my pictures is obviously ये वाला जो है ये टोटली ऑप्शनल है. लाइक दिस इज़ आई वुड से स्पेशली जो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हैं उनके लिए ये ऐप बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है एंड इट्स वेरी यूजफुल. यू जस्ट हैव टू इंस्टॉल फेसट्यून. सो ये वाला ऐप बहुत सारे लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरनेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट ऑल्सो दे यूज दिस ऐप एज वेल फॉर एडिटिंग. एंड so yeah, you just have to go in Facetune and I'm gonna just go in makeup. If you wanted to like आपको पता है लाइक अगर हम लोग पिक्चर्स लेते हैं जब हम लोग फर्स्टली योर पिक्चर्स नेवर गिव जस्टिस टू योर मेकअप. ओके, लाइक देयर आर वेरी रेयर सीन्स वेयर योर मेकअप लुक्स अमेजिंग इन पिक्चर्स एज वेल. So for that stuff you need to do this editing so that you know your picture become more clear and you give justice to your makeup. So that's the main reason why I use this app. So very firstly I'm gonna just go in makeup and then I'm gonna just go in liner. There is a section called as liner, so I'm gonna go in that section and I'm gonna choose like your eyebrows. Okay, so videos and photos, videos में फिर भी आपके eyebrows अच्छे लगते हैं, but when you click pictures आपके eyebrows बहुत dull लगते हैं. Like I have noticed it a lot, like your eyebrows look very dull. In real it's looking nice, but then I don't know, photos में वो dull लगते हैं. So for that thing you need to go in liner and then go into any sort of color like if your brow color is gray, then you can choose gray color and then just go and then just zoom, and then जहाँ पर भी थोड़ा सा gap वैप दिख रहा है आप you can just fill it, okay, and then obviously you need to like decrease the thing and then just edit it, okay. So I love editing my pictures in this app because it's very professional and it just doesn't give you like fake and all. So you can see the before and after. Like मैं बहुत ज़्यादा edit नहीं करती हूँ, but obviously you know pictures के लिए you know your eyebrows look like बीच में आपकी skin दिखती है because of the pictures. So you can use this app for that. So you have to just go in details, okay. So details में जाके आपको सबसे पहले आपका जो हाईलाइटिंग है, ओके, सो नोज हाईलाइटिंग और मे बी योर इनर कॉर्नर्स और मे बी योर कॉलर बोन और मे बी दिस हाईलाइटिंग चीक बोन एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. आपको इसके लिए आपको अगर आपका हाईलाइट इतना उठ के नहीं दिख रहा है, यू कैन गो इन डिटेल्स एंड जस्ट जूम नियर योर नोज. मैंने अभी क्लिक किया, यू कैन सी द बिफोर एंड द आफ्टर. सो इट मेक्स अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस ऑल्सो. देन देयर इज़ अ स्मूथ ऑप्शन अगेन जो आपको मैंने स्नैपसीड में बताया था. आप स्ट्रक्चर को कम करोगे सो योर पिक्चर बिकम स्मूथ. सेम विद दिस ऑल्सो. अगर आपको स्मूथ पे गया एंड इफ यू do like this, your whole picture is going to be smooth. And then there is option of like थोड़ा स्मूथ करो, बहुत ज़्यादा स्मूथ करो. आई पर्सनली डोंट डू दिस. बहुत रेयर टाइम्स होता है जहाँ पे मेरा पिक्चर में बहुत ज़्यादा यू नो यू कैन सी वेरी मच ब्लरीनेस, और आई वुड से नॉट ब्लरीनेस बट बहुत ज़्यादा शार्पनेस दिखता है पिक्चर्स में. सो दैट्स व्हेन यू नीड टू डू स्मूथनिंग. This is what I do in Facetune, and then save करते वक्त you just have to like sometimes they ask to watch the ad, so you need to watch the ad because आपको photo save करना है. So yeah. So now I'm gonna show you the last app in which I actually edit my YouTube thumbnails, and so I get a lot of DMs. I get a lot of people who ask me that how I edit my thumbnails, because हम लोग ने बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े यूट्यूबर्स के thumbnails पे वैसे होता है, but बिगनर्स को नहीं पता रहता है. because I am a beginner, so people ask me that how you edit that stuff. So I'm gonna show you that today. So just go in PicsArt. It's very easy guys, it's very easy. So once you are in PicsArt, just go in the plus button, okay. So just go in add and then okay, so just allow, okay. So add पे click करने के बाद just go नीचे you get this plain backgrounds, you get this aesthetic backgrounds as well. It totally depends on you, आपको आपका background कैसे रखना है. So for today I'm gonna just take a plain background because my photo is green. मेरा photo green color है, so I'm gonna take a green background. So yeah, I'm gonna take that green background. Now you can see this is the green background. Yeah, now I'm gonna just go in the add photo option, and I'm gonna add my picture, the green picture, and I'm gonna just, now my picture is over here, but obviously I don't want the white background which has in my picture. So I'm gonna just go in cutouts and I'm gonna cut my photo, okay. So this is the way how you cut your photos. Just आपको बहुत ज़्यादा randomly जाना है, then it's automatically gonna pick the picture. So now we can see that उन्होंने proper पूरा picture pick नहीं किया. So you just have to go in restore and then just color whatever you wanted to be in your photo. And then you want perfection, you just have to go and erase the part that you don't want. It's very easy guys, it's very easy, and a lot of YouTube, I think every YouTuber do this, use this. So yeah, just go in eraser and remove whatever section you just don't want, okay. So just remove, okay. So now I'm going to just save, and you can see voila, there is the photo which is edited. And you know a lot of people must have saw that जब लोग पिक्चर्स थंबनेल के लिए रखते हैं, they have the border, okay. So you can just go in borders and you can just add the borders to make it more dramatic and to make it more interesting. You can add such borders as well, and then there is option. Then once you take it, once you save it, there is option of add text. You can add the text, and then there is a lot of options. There is text option, and you can add whatever text you wanted to do, and your thumbnail is ready. So that's how I edit my YouTube के thumbnails. It's very easy and it's very quick as well. So like मेरा जब वीडियो पोस्ट होते रहता है at that time I make my thumbnail, so it's very easy, it's very quick, and yeah, so that's how I edit my YouTube thumbnails. So yeah guys, that's about the video. I hope you love this video. I hope you found this video a very helpful video, because I wanted to do this for a very long time, but last week was a very busy week. So ये week में मैंने finally upload करा है. So I hope that आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. If you love this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so every time I post a video you will get notified for it. So yeah guys, that's about the video. Let me know if you wanted to see more such editing videos, or let me know if you wanted to see any sort of video. You just have to like comment it below. So whatever app that I have used today will be in the description, so make sure to check my description. I'm gonna link each and every apps in the description, so just go and install it and make your pictures more dramatic and more beautiful. So yeah guys, that's about the video. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID. I'm gonna link both my Instagram over here. So yeah guys, just go and follow me on my Instagram. I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye.